All right, everybody. Hello, my name is Em. Welcome to the Sortifyd channel. Today's tutorial, we are talking about adding records, getting your files, getting everything organized in that organizer. Sorry to use the word in the definition, but I just want to show you the simplest ways to add a record, create a new one, the information that goes into that, and then ways you can quickly find it, as well as some shortcuts and features from AI integration that make sorting a lot of stuff a lot easier. So I am here in the Sortifyd app and I'm in the Organizer tab. So if I am in the Organizer tab, you can see all those 9 boxes. I can press the plus sign. I can also be on the home page here. Press this plus sign. These are all of these options that come up. So if I press create a new record, I am going to choose a category. So you kind of have, the way I say this is those 9 categories is like the 9 drawers of your life. And then within each drawer, Sortifyd has created some preset and pre-labeled files. So once you open that drawer, say for instance, if I'm choosing to open my personal drawer today, I have all of these as labeled files within that drawer, already in the app. It's on me to put a piece of paper in said file. So today I'm going to show you how to add a record, something just like fun to kind of go through the process. So I've chosen personal and I'm gonna add a other attachment. So this is where I'm at currently. I'm gonna name it and it's going to be phone background. Here in notes, encourage you, put in some pieces here so that you can find it with the search function down the line. If you're like, I know I have this in the app, give yourself just a little description. Attached from Pinterest, phone image I love for my phone background. This one's a little tricky in terms of notes because I'm like, there's not much to say about this, but normally with a document, you'd have your notes to say. Then I'm gonna add an attachment. This is, again, beautiful detail. You can select a photo, you can take a photo, you can attach a file, as well as scan a document. So I'm gonna select a photo. I definitely thought I had a phone background saved right here. Let's use this photo of my dog. Okay. This is Addie sleeping on couch. Perfect. Perfect phone background. And then I'm going to save it. So now that is in my other attachments. Quick note, information inside of your app is encrypted, it is safe, it is private. It is for your device, your eyes only. It cannot be read on another device on the Sortifyd end. It is for you. And what you choose to share in these lists, if you have a circle in your Sortifyd app, if you don't know what I'm talking about, there is a video on it, but this is your circle. What you share with your circle, you choose in permissions for each person. Check out that video if you need some more information there. But say for instance, I'm in my organizer now, I'm sitting here and I'm like, I know I have a photo of Addie that I really want to use for my phone background. Let's just look up phone background. Perfect. Boom. Here he is. Amazing. Ready to be used, ready to be set, ready to be seen. Look at him. He's perfect. That is my dog, my actual dog. Anyway, that is how you are adding a record, as well as a quick shortcut, your Sortifyd Magic. There is some really, really great ways that you can add a bulk amount of documents, and then AI will help you sort it into those files so you don't have to individually add. So say for instance, you have a drawer that you know has your passport, has your birth certificate, your social security card, but it also has receipts from last year. It has some medical records. It has some journal entries that you want to save. You can take those photos, so we can back up essential documents, and we can bulk scan, and then it will be, once it's scanned in, organized into the appropriate folders. Correct. That is incredible. I could hear you through the screen. So I just wanted to be able to give you that option. You also have, if you ever click add smart actions, there are there's so many more. So you can have all of these different plans, but I like to do organize paper clutter. And for me, that one is, I don't know why, it's just one I go to. And this is where I'll just take a bunch of photos of if I'm organizing out a drawer and really getting things like sortified. That's how I'm going to do it. Whether it is pulling things from my computer so I can get some more storage space, or scanning documents in, or bringing it from my camera roll so again I can get some more storage space. But that is creating new records, getting organized. It's truly, adding records is simple, and it's one of the easiest ways to feel more prepared, clear, and in control, which we love here at Sortifyd.